International commerce is a dynamic business, and there were concerns about whether traditional correspondent banking could keep up, but not anymore. Not since SWIFT introduced Global Payments Innovation, or GPI. After less than a year, 120 banks are already signed up, and 2 million payments have been processed. In this Viewpoint series, we look at the impact of GPI on the correspondent banking business, and we start by talking to Christian Westerhaus of Deutsche Bank about the progress made so far. So Christian, about a year ago we did a Viewpoint series with Deutsche Bank, and we talked about the prospect for SWIFT GPI to transform correspondent banking. Now it's up and running, it's live. So what sort of impact has it made?
GPI has become a reality. It was born as an idea 2 years ago at Cybos, and within that time the rulebook, the schemes, the services have been developed, and now it's live with 24 banks. And the advantages that GPI promise, same-day execution, traceability in a cloud-based tracker, transparency of the transaction for all parties involved, they have become true and they are in practice now, which is a big achievement. So 24 banks are live with it, use it. We have gone live with GPI, connecting to the tracker, also in the cloud via an API solution, so we could combine the established reach and network with innovation.
Okay. Now look, the thing about it is that if all the banks are on the same standards and rulebook, doesn't that reduce competition in the marketplace?
It doesn't reduce competition, it puts competition on a new level. With that achieved transparency, like you can track where a transaction is, service becomes ever more important to react swiftly and fast on customer investigations, to link other correspondent banking services to this, to establish the reach and the network for GPI. Look, we have gone live with GPI, yet it will become the new normal.
Right.
And this is easily said. In order to make it the new normal, banks have to connect their clients to this.
Because what has it done really for correspondent banking as a business? Because I mean, people were almost saying that the correspondent banking was near the end of the line, and now we're seeing a bit of a transformation. Is that right?
It is a transformation that has just started with GPI going live. Now we need to enable our clients to benefit from GPI, and that is FI clients, by enabling them to easily connect to GPI, because the investment to go live with GPI is not insignificant. So we have to create that mass adoption, that network and reach effect, and leverage the network that is there. For the corporate clients, they benefit from the transparency. I reckon that investigation rates and cases will go down dramatically with GPI. The claim money not arrived, or can you trace where the money is, should go down big time. So that is a big benefit. All these achievements mean that correspondent banking is now at par with the expectations that FI clients and corporate clients have. And obviously we shouldn't stand still, we have to develop it further.
Thank you very much for the update.